I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pair of fashion doll underpants, in the UK they say knickers, that will fit a large variety of fashion dolls, as you can see here. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable PDF sewing pattern. We're going to use actual underpants to cut out our fashion doll undies. Lay both front and back patterns along the elastic. Align the elastic with the floral part of the pattern. Pin the patterns to the underpants and cut them out, leaving the elastic intact. You'll need one front piece and one back piece. Set the front on top of the back, right sides together, just like you see me doing here. Sew from the elastic to the bottom of the underpants, like where the leg area will be. Just do this on one side for right now. Open the panties up like this. Fold the leg area to hem, folding it once only. Now I used a simple straight stitch to hem my leg area, but if you're really good with a sewing machine, you could do this. I just find it a lot easier to use my own needle and thread because it's so small. Reconnect the other side of the underpants and sew once again from the elastic at the top to the bottom where the leg opening will be. Fold and straight stitch hem this leg area too. I recommend hand stitching this one especially. It's really tiny. And again, this is just a single fold hem. We're not doing a double fold hem. Bring the two crotches together and stitch across to join them. Invert the underpants and try them on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns for making doll clothes for dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on social media. Tell your friends about my website, where you can find free patterns for doll clothes like this dress. Goodbye.